salted egg boiled congee is truly delicious. Everyone must try it themselves. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. These are the ingredients for today's recipe. If you have prawns at home, it will be even more delicious. Steam the salted eggs until cooked. Then cut them with a knife, scoop out the salted eggs, and put them in a bowl for later use. Remove the outer packaging of the crab sticks, then cut them into small sections and set aside. Preheat the rice cooker, pour in cooking oil, add the salted eggs and mash them with a spoon, then stir-fry until fragrant. The original recipe method is to stir-fry the salted egg yolks until the red oil releases, and add the salted egg twice after the congee is cooked, then let it boil for a while. I'll just take a peek and add everything at once. The stir-fried salted egg yolks are the secret to the congee turning golden yellow, and they also make the taste richer, more delicious and flavorful. After stir-frying the salted eggs until fragrant, add the remaining ingredients and stir-fry together. Also, pour in the washed raw rice. Water amount for cooking congee, usually 8 to 10 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. For a thicker congee, use less water. For a thinner one, add more. You can also adjust the consistency by adding hot water while cooking. Just press the congee button and you can easily wait to eat. Cooking congee in a rice cooker is truly a quick cooking secret weapon for beginners. Look, the cooked congee is extremely thick and smooth. The moment I opened the rice cooker, I got hungry. Add salt and pepper to adjust the seasoning according to your own taste. If the salted eggs you bought are very salty, then you can omit the seasoning. Simply and easily, a pot of steaming hot and fragrant salted egg and crab stick congee is ready. Eating this congee makes you feel warmly comfortable. I hope everyone likes my improved version of this seafood congee recipe. Although it doesn't contain seafood, its flavor is not inferior to seafood congee. If you want to eat seafood congee with a richer seafood flavor, you can prepare shrimp heads and stir-fry them together with the salted egg yolks until the red oil releases. Then remove the shrimp heads and follow the steps I just shared to finish. I believe most friends will love seafood congee, and having a steaming hot bowl of congee after eating lots of fish and meat during the new year is also a great choice. Salted egg yolk and crab stick congee carries good meanings for the new year. The golden salted egg yolks represent wealth and prosperity, symbolizing gold and silver filling your home. The red crab sticks signify a lively and thriving life, with everything going smoothly. A warm pot of congee symbolizes family togetherness, abundance, and peace in the year ahead. This bowl of congee is rich in protein and carbohydrates, providing quick energy. Salted egg yolks contain lecithin and various vitamins that are beneficial for health. Crab sticks are low in fat, and when paired with congee, it creates a balanced and easily digestible meal. With this golden salted egg and crab stick congee, I wish everyone wealth and prosperity in the new year. May this warm congee bring you and your family reunion, peace and health. Happy New Year! Enjoy your meal and may you be filled with blessings. Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.